Hello everybody, it's TheMultiMom. My name's Candace Craft, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of Julep Maven. Now this box does cost you money. It's not free like the influencer boxes or the Target beauty bags. But I had a special coupon code where if you enter penny at checkout, it gives you the box for just a penny. And then you have to pay for like any other month. So, let's open it up and see what's in it. Alright, so upon opening, the Julep Maven box has some pretty pink paper. And then this little bag. It says julep.com. And here's the other side. Beauty is about connection, not competition. And then you open it up, and it had a couple of papers with it, the welcome message, and the package that I got, which was It Girl. Most of the, well, I should say, all of the other Maven packages, they came with 2 nail polishes, and then here's the wrapped up polish, and a foot cream, but I opted for the 3 polishes because I just, you know, this one-time offer, I wanted to get all the polishes I could in one bang. So you just unwrap it, and these were attached, but I had already opened up this package. Anyway, these are the 3 polishes that come with the It Girl box. Doing this one-handed. And here's the here's the colors. One is a really deep dark purple. The other one is kind of a pastel yellow, and the other one is a, I don't know, is that a baby blue or a sky blue? The colors are called Morgan, which is the purple, Blake, which is the yellow, and Claire, which is the blue. The main welcome letter says, "We jumped and cheered when you became a Julep Maven. I hope you heard us. I adore nail color because it's such a fun, accessible way to connect to runway fashion and seasonal trends. One of the best parts of my job is sharing Julep products with girlfriends in our parlors and Mavens online. And now you! We're serious about supporting girlfriends everywhere. All Julep products follow our girlfriend's oath to pack in lots of good stuff without any of the toxins." Oh, I didn't know that. That's really cool. It doesn't say I didn't know that. It's really cool. I said that because I didn't read this before. We also donate a portion of proceeds from products sold to organizations that support women through our Powered by Girlfriends program. That's also pretty cool. Let us know how you feel. Share your product reviews with us online at julep.com or email us. Hey, that's cool. At maven@julep.com. Welcome to Julep and to connecting through beauty. Jane Park. That's cool because here I am doing a review and now I can share it. And on the back it says, Maven Tips, Perks of Being a Julep Maven. Mavens enjoy 20% off all products in the Maven Boutique at julep.com, plus free shipping all the time. Share Julep Maven with your friends. Refer 2 friends and receive a free month. See julep.com/share-htm for more details. We have options. We'll send an email previewing your upcoming Maven box on the 20th of each month. Do nothing if you love what we've chosen for you, and your box will be on its way. Want to try a new style? Send your box to a friend or skip the month? Just log into your account between the 20th and 24th to submit your requests. We start shipping your Maven box the same day you're charged on the 27th of each month. For more information, check out Maven Facts at julep.com/mavens/facts. Mavens who sign up for their introductory box after the 18th will be charged for the first monthly box on the 27th of the following month. And then the It Girl selection that I got says, edgy and bold, your statement-making look exemplifies a modern rock and roll chic. You love bright, bold, fun, and innovative style and are inspired by colors and accessories that are anything but ordinary. That's true. It Girl, as a maven you will be the first to try our new nail colors, have the option to choose a different style profile and its colors, send to a friend, or skip a month altogether. Get 20% off all products in the Maven Boutique, plus free shipping. Check out blog.julep.com for nail polish tips and fashion trends. Refer to friends, and your next month of Julep Maven is free. Share on Maven referral program. Cool. So once again, here are the 3 colors, and I will probably be doing reviews on them when I get the chance, or if somebody urges me to, so. That concludes my unboxing for the Julep Maven nail polishes, and I hope you found it a little bit useful. Please comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.